Welcome back to the Jove Insurance podcast with me, Michael Ore. I am joined with Michelle, our product manager over here, and we're going to simplify business insurance for contractors and self-employed professionals. We'll walk you through Jove's business insurance quotation process, breaking it down step by step so you can understand how you can get the best coverage tailored for your business. Michelle, thank you for joining me today.
Hi, Michael. Thanks for having me. Before we start the quoting process, I wanted to just make a quick introduction. Our business liability insurance covers contractors and small business across 250 occupations across 30 countries in Europe, including France, Netherlands, Belgium, Spain, Italy, to Romania, Poland, Malta, Bulgaria. So for the users, you can quote and buy policies online in just 30 seconds. It's really, really quick. Your policy documents, including the policy schedule, the policy certificate, will be generated automatically after purchasing. So you can show the proof of your cover instant. So we can start now.
Great. Thank you for that. Let's talk about how we can get someone to get a quote.
So the first step is here you will have all the coverage that you will have with Jove, and the first one, business insurance. So you get started with the business insurance. After you select on business insurance, you will go to the step 1, that is you need to add your personal details. So we're going to begin by collecting some basic information from you. So I will have to add your first name, your email, and this is something that is really important. You have to put your country of business, and then we can go next. So here you need to select your business type. If you're a sole trader, if you have a limited company, or if you have a partnership, and you can go next. Step 3, let's gather some basic information from your company. So you need to give us your trading name. So if you haven't got one, you can use your own name. You have to add your registration number and the tax number, but remember, this is optional. And we can go next to step 4. Here in the step 4, you need to add your business address where your business is established. So you have to select the country and the street address and the city. And we can go next to step 5. Step 5 is all about your business activities. So in this step, you have to select the activity that best describe your work. So you can choose from our drop-down list here, if you can just add a project manager, and then the other option that you have, you can choose from these common activities that we have here. And as soon as you select your activity, we can go next to step number 6. So here you will have to select the type of policy, but quoting flow that we're reviewing, you only have this option. So you have to select annual flexible policy that is designed so you can pay monthly, you can cancel anytime, so you can enjoy the flexibility to adjust our coverage as your business evolves. You will be always covered and you will have a continuous protection. And then we can go next to step number 7. So here you need to add your estimated annual income. So don't worry about being exact. Just give it your best estimate for what you think your turnover will be in the year. So you can select here and you go to step 8. So here you have to add your percentage of your income. So from each of your business activities, remember that everything should add up to 100. So for example, here I will put 100 for EU and go next to step 9. So in this step, you have to customize your cover. So you need to tailor the insurance to fit your business. I will see different options from different coverage. And you will have a handy legend to guide your choice. So you can be really comfortable on the selecting choice. Okay. So you will have here professional indemnity, excess level, public liability, and employer's liability. So if you click here in the price box, you will access details specific about each product that you will play, including all the associated taxes and fee. This will give you a complete transparency of what are you signing for. And then we can, after you select all of the coverage, we can go next We're almost there. Now we need to talk about your team. So we need to know how many people you will cover under employer's liability, including yourself. So you have to add the clerical employees and the manual employees. So we can add here 2 and then go next. In this step, you will need to show important declarations. So please read each statement carefully and indicate what you agree or disagree. So to continue your flow, you have to agree with general declarations, the activities, and next should be the manual work. So for you to go to the next step, you have to agree with all. So here you can add your retroactive cover. If you skip, the retroactive date will be the policy start date. So don't worry about that. And if you have any questions, you can see what is the retroactive date and why it is so important. So your retroactive date is crucial. It defines how far back your insurance will cover the work. So if you have interrupted cover, you could be protected for past projects from your first policy start date. So I'm going to skip and go to the next step. So here in this step, you have to take a moment to review all the information that you provide to ensure it's accurate. If everything looks good for you, you only have to confirm all the details. If you spot any errors, you can go back and make corrections. And also you can review the documents in English, or you can choose other languages translations. If there's any difference, the English version will be the official one. Just you have to remember that. And so if I confirm and I have read all the insurance documents, I can go next step.
Payment plans. Could you please explain this process?
Yes. So here you can choose your payment plan. If it's annual or if it's a monthly plan, you will select. So if you select monthly, you will have here the upcoming payments for your transparency. And then after that, you select pay and we will go to payment. So this is the final step. So you're all set to finalize your insurance. So here you just simply need to add your card details to complete your payment. We ensure a secure and seamless transaction experience here. So once you have entered all your details, you can go payment, and then we're all set.
Great.
You will receive after this a welcome email with all the documents and coverage information, and that's it. You'll be officially covered and ready to go.
Michelle, before we wrap up today's episode, why should businesses choose Jove over other providers?
Michael, we are an insurtech company that is dedicated to revolutionizing insurance for contractors and self-employed professionals. So you can think of Jove Business Insurance as our company's safety net. We will provide you peace of mind by covering you from risk, insurance, meet legal requirements for the different countries that you work. And of course, it will expand your credibility. And all with coverage that's perfectly tailor-made to your unique need.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you're looking for business insurance, please visit our website in the link below. Get a quote in a few minutes. And please, Michelle, thank you for walking us through the process today.
Thank you, Michael.